Hello, in this video, we're going to talk about a very important node. In fact, it's required anytime we build a time series forecast in the SWA AI platform. So let's take a look at our data set here. If we preview the data, this is a CSV file that we connected to, and you'll see these are all the columns in the first 1,000 rows. And we have daily purchase date data. We have revenue, which is what we're going to try to predict the trend for, forecast the trend of revenue for going forward for the next several periods. And then we have different levels of grouping that we can use. So we could group our forecast by customer number, by product group, maybe by region, get a geographic look. So that's our data. And now based on that, what we're going to do is we're going to add this node called Define. We start typing Define Timeseries Column. And we'll select as our data set the CSV file. The time series column name is basically the date field. So in this case, our date field is named purchase date. The frequency, since this is daily data, not weekly or monthly or quarterly, the frequency is day. And the number of units we can usually leave at 1. And then this is where we decide how do we want to group our forecast. So do we just want an overall revenue forecast, or do we want to also be able to group it by certain things? So in this case, let's say we want to group it by product group. We click that and send it over. Let's say we want to group it by customer number, so we click that. And let's say we want to group it by region, so we click that. And then this last box here, we don't need to worry about filling in. So basically, we're done. We've connected to the data set. We've defined our date field. We've defined the frequency of our data. And then at what levels do we want to forecast our time series, in this case, our revenue. So we click Save, and that's the Define Time Series column. Thank you for watching. And thank you for using the SWA AI platform.